Alright, hi guys, and welcome to your final tutorial on hydrocarbons. Now guys, I'll be dealing with esters and ethers here. So ethers, I don't really know if it's in your syllabus, but even esters I'm a little confused with. So my real suggestion to you would be to just go and ask your teacher. Now guys, this is an example of an ether, and right here what I've written is derivatives of CA, which is not chartered accountancy, but carboxylic acids. So esters are nothing but sweet smelling compounds and the derivatives of carboxylic acids. So guys, in our notebook, we had been writing this, and this compound right here is another ester because of this COO. You have to remember these two are this is the functional group, determines chemical properties, and these are the alkyl groups, determine the physical properties. So guys, how you name it is methyl ethanoate. That's what the copy says, and I don't really know as to how you name it, but I'm guessing it's that whenever you're naming either this one, either this alkyl group or this one, you take into account this C as well. So right now here, I think he's taken into account when he's naming this C, this alkyl group, he's taken into account this one, and so it's become methyl ethanoate. However, you must check this with the teacher, although even I will, but since there's a time constraint and it's 4:15 a.m., I don't think it'll be right to call up any teacher or to check up any other source on the internet. So guys, just please, I'm really sorry about this, but you need to get this clarified with your teacher. And the other examples also, I think she'll be able to give you better examples and a better understanding of the esters part. Now let's just move on to remove the S and add an H in esters. You get ETHERS. So guys, now let's just discuss ethers. I really doubt if this is in your syllabus, but you still need to know that there's just an H over here. Like there's a CO in ketones, there's just an H over here, and that's the difference between ketones and um, um, ethers here. Okay, so this is where the CH3OCH3 you encounter, and this is nothing but methoxy methane. Now it's strange, but I know how you name this, and I really don't know if you if you're going to be actually asked ethers in your examination, but I'm sorry, since I know this, I will be explain this to you. So guys, it's just that the alkyl group which is more carbon atoms goes with the oxy. So in this case both have equal, so you have methoxymethane. So for instance, let me take another example like CH3OC2H5, and just don't consider this right now. So guys, now as you can see, C2 has more carbon atoms than CH3. C2H5 has more carbon atoms than CH3. Therefore, the oxy will go with C2H5, and C2H5 is nothing but ethoxy. So the answer here would be ethoxy methane. So guys, that's about it. Let's just draw the structure of ethoxy methane. That's all I'm going to be doing. So you have an O here, you have you have another C, and H, quite obviously, and H, and H, and H here, and H here, and you just leave the O as it is, and you have another H, 3 H's here. So this is what will give you ethoxy methane. Now guys, I'm dog tired. I hope you've understood whatever I've just told you, except for the esters part. I think you should go and confirm that with your respective subject teachers. They will tell you better on esters. And finally, coming on to how to name a chain. Guys, this is very easy. I should have done this earlier, but then I thought that since this is an easy part, I should just do it in the end. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Yeah, so guys, what I was saying was about the um, chain and the compounds in the chain and how you name them. So I'm just going to be drawing one and then explaining to you as to how this really happens. Alright, so this has to be the last thing on my agenda for the entire chemistry tutorial on hydrocarbons. and let's do it well. So for instance, if you have a compound this way, I hope you understand the H3C. It's same thing as CH3, just denoted it this way. So in fact, let me just make it CH3 only. Otherwise, you might just get confused, guys. So this is CH3. Just keep watching. Now, guys, this is just the condensed form. Okay, the H's are attached to the C's only, and you have another CH3 here, and you have one C2H5 here. So how do you think would you name this chain? Now there are certain rules that you have to follow. The first one being that the first preference is given to just select the longest carbon chain, in the sense that um, I could name it as one. Start from here, 1 2 3 4, or I could start from here saying 1 2 3 and 4. So either way it's the same thing in this particular case. So I'm just gonna take this one right now. So let's just take this carbon chain. So this way the substituent, or the attached portion to the chain is this, and it's given the highest number according, we just have to give it the highest number. So right now you have this one, and I'm sorry, I think I just said something wrong. Yeah, repeat. You have to select the longest carbon chain, and you have to give the lowest number, or the lowest number as you number it, to the functional group, to FG. So that's how you name it, guys. So select the first longest carbon chain and then give the lowest number to the functional group. The third one would be, if there are at all any double bond or triple bonds, then you will give them the lowest number in this preference. It give the this one, the double bond, lower number than the triple bond. And you should check on this again with your teacher, since this is really confusing at times. So that's how you name it, and this would be known as then 2 comma 3. And why 2 comma 3? Because at 1 we're naming it this way, so it's be 1 2, and at the 2 there is attached another CH3, so you have 2 3 di, because there are two of them, and di means di here, so di methyl, because both these are methyl. And how many of the C's are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you'll have 2 3 dimethyl pentane. So that's what happens while naming compounds. So guys, if you're not really sure of all this, then please feel free to ask us questions or ask your teachers questions. I think you should confirm the esters bit, because I'm really unsure about that. And also just ask them about the double bond and triple bond. I know, I'm sorry, we're here to help you, but here even we are lost. You just 1 year senior to you. So just confirm both these things, and do come back to us, and do revert to your teachers and ask them, keep asking them questions, and we will give you another email ID where you can email us your doubts, and we will be very happy to solve all of them. So guys, we're not going to be doing the equations, so please bear with us, but hopefully next time we can cover much and almost all the portions of term 2, and this way we come to an end to all of our chemistry tutorials, and I hope we've done a good job, and I hope this will surely benefit you. Please guys, whatever mistakes you might encounter, please do let us know of them, and please don't mind. We have edited all our tutorials at least 2 to 3 times, but sometimes, there are human errors, and I think enough said. I need sleep now.